Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best camcorder on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. AKASO Camcorder. AKASO Camcorder is a compact 4K camera that can record and capture life in 4K at 30 fps with a 2.00 megapixel CMOS sensor. It has a 16x digital zoom and a 3.0 touchscreen LCD. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect directly to your smartphone, tablet, or computer. It produces 48 MP vlogs and you can add music to your videos. It has a 48 MB internal storage and a micro South Dakota card slot. It comes with a remote control that you can use to take pictures and videos from afar. It has a built-in microphone and an external microphone jack. It also has an infrared camera for recording in total darkness. Record professional videos in high definition, crystal clear audio by using the integrated microphone, and take still pictures in higher resolution up to 48 megapixels. Instantly share your best shots to social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The Camkix digital video camcorder comes with an amazing 16x digital zoom and an additional 3.0 touchscreen for additional versatility. With built-in IR night vision and Wi-Fi capabilities, you can enjoy the remarkable versatility of your Camkix digital camcorder from any location. With so much to offer, the Camkix digital camcorder gives you the power to create, edit and share your life. Number 4. Ordro AC3 Camcorder. Ordro AC3 Camcorder is a professional video camera with 4K HD video recording and advanced shooting features. It is a great gift for your friends, families and even yourself. With the advanced 4K solution and the large pixels, the high-definition picture is so clear and vivid, it is beyond your imagination. The camera is capable of recording in 4K Ultra HD resolution, making it the perfect solution for small videographers and consumers. This camcorder records locally in MP4, H.264, and MOV, H.264 video formats, and it can also record video directly to an external microSD card up to 128 GB with a read speed of 35 MB per second. Its full HD recording combined with a quick lens and accurate autofocus makes it perfect for most recording scenarios, from amateur to professional use. This camera also features a built-in IR cut filter, 50-60 Hz, and low-light noise reduction system, making it possible to record videos at night or in low-light environments. Number 3. ELRVIKE D7300 Camcorder. The ELRVIKE D7300 Camcorder 33 million pixel sensor is capable of delivering high-quality images and 1080-30p video. The ELRVIKE D7300 camcorder has some powerful professional autofocus features, letting you track any moving object, and has a face detection function, so it can automatically focus on any human being in the frame. This is a great beginner camera for any filmmaker looking to get into the DSLR market, and with a price tag of just $400, it's one of the most affordable DSLR cameras on the market. The D7300 to capture flawless images with striking detail and vivid colors. Advanced technologies like a 39-point autofocus system, scene recognition system, wireless connectivity and more make the D7300 the ultimate tool for photography enthusiasts and professional photographers alike. Number 2. KOMERY AF2 Camcorder. KOMERY AF2 Camcorder is a lightweight, high-definition, Full HD 1080p, 18x digital, camcorder video camera with amazing video technology, designed to capture stunning high-resolution video and photo-like pictures with amazing clarity. The camera is perfect for a range of applications including family and couple photos, special events, and even for professional photography and videography. Its Carl's Zeiss optics provide high quality, superior sharpness and clarity. This camera delivers stunning 4K 20 fps video, crisp and vivid 18MP photos and high-quality audio recording. It features a quick focus lens, allowing you to adjust the camera angle quickly and precisely. The time-lapse setting allows you to create a time-lapse video easily. You can easily connect to other devices with Wi-Fi and NFC. The 12mm lens and 4K sensor give you stunning and clear images. The built-in mic captures high-quality audio. KOMERY AF2 Camcorder can capture a photo in 0.7 seconds, making it a great choice for the person who wants to be on a picture before the moment is over. Number 1. Ordro AE8 Camcorder. The Ordro AE8 Camcorder Full HD 4K is a compact, high-definition camera that can record 4 times more detail than standard HD cameras. This camera also features a next-generation sensor that consumes less power and generates less heat, making it ideal to record in any environment. It records in crisp, bright Full HD 1080p at a continuous rate of 60 frames per second, making it perfect for recording fast-action events. The AE8's high-speed video compression provides a solution for recording the widest range of light levels without breaking the video. The AE8's video capabilities also make it an excellent choice for surveillance applications. Its IR night vision allows you to see up to 10 meters in the dark. It records in a compact and portable package at only 1.4 pounds, making it easy to carry on your adventures. This ultra-slim and lightweight camera is small enough to fit in your hand. The camera is equipped with 4K video recording and supports up to 32GB TF card. You can take videos or photos in higher resolution of 1920x1080 at 30 frames per second. The AE8 digital camera is a perfect choice for your life entertainment and travel. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.